Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita Dubey and today's video is about bridal photo posing ideas. So as you all know that just a few days before I have done a bridal makeover video and all of you guys have shown a lot of love to it and also liked the video. Thanks for that. But the major question that comes in our mind is how to pose or how to give the unique poses in bridal makeovers. So I was searching on net as well as on Google, but I found very common poses and I want to try something new and unique. So yeah, I tried different poses and experiment with it a lot, and I got some unique and self-developed poses which are of my kind, and I like it very much. Hope you will also like it. So yeah, here I am with the photo posing ideas, and if you're a bride-to-be or a model that keep on doing bridal photo shoots, then this video is for you. So yeah, keep watching. For the first pose, I'm just holding my dupatta like this, looking sideways and down and giving a very slight smile, and I got this pose which is very beautiful and I like it a lot. This is the second picture that I got by holding the dupatta. Now for the next pose, I am just holding my dupatta like this, looking sideways, and the cameraman is clicking the picture throughout that dupatta. मतलब दुपट्टा के आर पार से picture लेंगे, and the picture looks like this, and it's very amazing and epic and a candid pose. I just love these two poses. Now for the third pose, I am just holding the skirt of my lehenga, and to give it a natural pose, I am looking downward and smiling slightly. And I got these two pictures, one looking downward and the second one looking upward, and I just love these two natural poses. For the fourth pose, I am trying these pictures with a mirror. Look into the mirror and pretend that you are wearing your jewelries and give a very slight and a natural kind of smile. Look into the mirror and click the picture from the back side, and you got these two natural poses. It looks like as if you are just wearing your jewelry and someone is clicking some natural poses, and it don't seems to be a planned shoot. It seems to be a very natural kind of shoot, and I love it. For the fifth pose, I am just holding one end of my dupatta like this. Hide your one eye, and only your one eye should be visible, and look downwards and smile slightly. Also you can try the same pose standing and looking into the mirror, and you'll got a pose something like this. Eye makeup can be seen very clearly and looks beautiful. For the sixth pose, I am again looking into the mirror, pretending to like wearing my necklace and looking into the mirror. The cameraman is clicking the picture from the back side so that it gives you a very natural kind of pose, like someone has clicked it suddenly and while you were wearing your necklace, and it gives you a very natural kind of poses. I just loved it. One I have clicked looking down, and this one I have clicked looking upward. Some more poses that I have clicked is with these glasses, and it's a very fun kind of poses. If you want to show you a very fun girl or a fun loving girl, then you can try these sunglasses and different poses. I've also tried Indo-Western look by wearing the top of my lehenga with the jeans, and it gives you a very unique and epic look. These days it's in trend and most of the brides loved it. These are the poses that I've tried and clicked. Hope you loved it.
And everybody knows same way as I do for me.
So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys have loved it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do comment, like and share. And I'm gonna see you soon with another interesting and amazing video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Same way